Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. Through the years, I've been trying to make an item that looks like this, kind of looks like it's uh, it's an ellipse, but it's almost like it's a tube, like it's rounded. There's two ways to do it. I haven't really ever perfected both of them. Well, one of them for sure. First, we're going to use the shadow tool, and we're going to go here, and we're going to go all the way to the center. It's about the edge. I'm going to pick a different color. And then I'm going to change this to 100, which is your shadow capacity. And then I'm going to change this to like 6. And then I'm going to move. Let me zoom in here and get the shadow tool back. Well, you actually got to go right in the middle and kind of play with this. Maybe I should have put that right in the middle. So you're getting a rounded, it almost looks like shadows on both sides, so you're getting a rounded effect. And I could have used maybe a better color. That kind of shows it all pretty good. The other way that I normally would do things, I'm going to left click, right click, and I'm going to go up to Effects and Contour, and I'm going to contour the inside 1/4 of an inch. And not quite enough. Let's go 0.4 of an inch. So we've got a little contour there. I'm going to go to Object, break the contour part. I'm going to grab the center one. I'm going to move it out of the way, and I'm going to color it white, and I'm going to take away the outline. Now this one, I'm going to color that color there. I'm going to take away the outline. Now I'm going to grab my other ellipse and move it back. Doesn't look like much right now, but it's selected. You can see down here it's white. Go up to Effects, Blur, and Gaussian Blur, and maybe not quite that much. Maybe a little bit more. So it makes it look like kind of the same. Maybe I should have used the same color. See what it looked like. So you can kind of see the resemblance. And then, if we look at them let's look at them side by side and get back to here and go back to the Gaussian blur. And let's change the Gaussian blur a little bit and see if we can get it more looking like the shadow. Kind of the same. It does give it the effect that it's kind of tubular or rounder, almost like an O-ring. I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.